Hi everyone. So Samsung launched the S20 series early this year, and this is the first time they revealed the Indian pricing on the same day. But there are a lot of things that are confusing. So today I'm going to talk about the features, offers, the prices, and which one you should pre-order. I would suggest waiting for the reviews of Exynos version, but in case you want to pre-order, let's break down everything. So this year S21 series is more of an update than an upgrade. S21 has a plastic back as compared to the last year glass back. You do not get expandable memory of any on the devices. The charging speed is also same. You do not get charger and the earphones in the box. And the cameras are almost similar, at least on the S21 and S21 Plus. In terms of screen, the screen is also flat on S21 and S21 Plus. I know it's not an issue for a lot of people, but if you want a slightly curved screen, you have to go for S21 Ultra. The resolution is also less, so you get full HD resolution on S21 and S21 Plus, which is not a problem if you're coming from S20 because anyway you guys were using on full HD with 120Hz refresh rate. But if you're coming from S10 or previous phone, it is a downgrade in resolution. On the other hand, on S21 Ultra, you get Quad HD Plus screen with 120Hz refresh rate. This is the first time on any Samsung device you're gonna get that. And you also get adaptive refresh rate on all of the devices. On S21 and S21 Plus, you will get the refresh rate between 48Hz and 120Hz. And in S21 Ultra, you will get from 11Hz to 120Hz. So the battery should be better from last year at least. In terms of battery, I think only S21 Plus has extra 300 mAh battery. In S21 and S21 Ultra, you get the similar battery. In S21, it's 4000 mAh, and in S21 Ultra, you get 5000 mAh. Apart from chipset and a slightly bigger fingerprint sensor, it's mostly a downgrade, at least on S21 and S21 Plus. So S21 Ultra is the only phone that is getting upgraded this year. So I ordered S21 Plus. I was planning to order S21, but because of that plastic bag and the similar battery, I planned to go for S21 Plus this year, and it was giving me more value, at least in India. So I'll talk about the offers later. Let's talk about the pricing first. So in US, S21 starts from $799, which is $200 cheaper from last year. And same goes for S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. So S21 Plus is $999 and S21 Ultra is $1199. I think $800 is a good pricing for S21 as compared to S20 FE, at least in US. And the same reason we Indians were expecting a good pricing, but strangely that did not happen. Let me explain. Last year, the $999 S20 was priced at 67,000 rupees in India, and after the GST update, you got it around for 70,000 rupees. But this year, the $800 S21 is priced at the same 70,000 rupees, which is strange. So in my opinion, S21 is overpriced, at least for that plastic bag. I'm not saying that S21 Plus or S21 Ultra is not overpriced as well. It is. S21 Plus is 82,000 rupees in India and S21 Ultra is 1,06,000 rupees. Although you get some cashback offers and goodies with it, and I also purchased it for 72,000 rupees for S21 Plus with Galaxy Buds Life and a Galaxy tag. So let me explain you all the offers. So if you have a HDFC credit card, you get 5,000 off on S21, 7,000 off on S21 Plus, and 10,000 off on S21 Ultra. In some Amazon accounts, you will get 3,000, 4,000 and 6,000 coupon respectively. I got one, but not everyone is seeing that. And with S21 Plus, you get Galaxy Buds Live and Smart Tag, but with S21, you do not get that. And with S21 Ultra, you get a Galaxy Watch Active 2, so it depends upon you, what do you want to purchase. So those were the Amazon offers. So if you purchase these things from Samsung website itself, you get almost similar offers. So for S21 Plus, you get 7,000 HDFC cashback and the Buds Life at 990 rupees. For S21 Ultra, you get the same 10,000 cashback and 990 rupees for Galaxy Watch Active 2. But with S21, you get 4,000 rupees Samsung vouchers. You can also get the same 10,000 rupees voucher on S21 Plus and S21 Ultra as well if you want to purchase Galaxy Buds Pro in future. The prices are not revealed yet. And that what I was trying to tell you, it is confusing. So the offers are not same as they told in the launch event, and not everyone has HDFC credit card. So you have to pay extra money for that, and I don't think it's a good pricing in India. So unless size is a major factor for you, I think you should go for S21 Plus over S21 because you get a better battery life, a better build quality with glass bag, you get Galaxy Buds Live or 10,000 rupees Samsung voucher wherever you purchase it, and you also get Galaxy tag. But if you want the best camera and the best display on the market with 1500 nits, I think you should go for S21 Ultra. With S21 Ultra, you get new camera array with 2 telephoto lens and new second gen 108 megapixel camera, which is for photography, I think it's going to be really good because this year S21 Ultra also has laser autofocus. You also get S Pen support on S21 Ultra this year, but you have to purchase the S Pen separately and a case to put it. So that was all about the pricing and offers. If you still have any confusion, you can write me in the comment box, or you can just message me on Instagram and Twitter. I will help you out that because it is confusing. Now let's talk about the chipset this year. So they're using Exynos in most of the world. They're using Exynos 2100, and there's one good news that they're not using the custom Mongoose chip. This year they're using the Cortex X1, same as Snapdragon 888 with higher clock speed. So I still have some hope from the Exynos CPU. I'm not really sure about the Mali GPU. Yes, it is faster and AMD is helping them, but they're not using the AMD GPU itself. So let's wait about that. So if you can wait for the reviews, I think you should not pre-order. I know you're going to lose some deals right now, but after 1 to 2 months, this series will eventually get some discount. So you might not have to suffer like last year. If you still have any doubts or queries regarding this S20 series, please feel free to ask. Make sure to subscribe because my phone is coming soon, and I'm going to compare it with my iPhone 12 because in terms of price, this is the closest competitor you can get. I will also be getting the Galaxy Buds live, and if you want me to give my first impression and want me to compare it with my AirPods Pro, do let me know. My name is Rohit. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.